Nyaksila, Bamudrile, Obitila, Chakala Bodegida, Basala Sumis Bad, I said Chakala Bodegida. Hey, Basala Sumba Mudrile, Bodas Bamudrile. Wiki Wagaraksa, Basala Sumum, Mia so every day. Them call me Basala Sumum, Mia so every day. Them call me Basala Sumum. I go, Mia so every day. Them call me Basala Sumum. Anyway, I love it, Mia so every day. Yalla man, the world is looking for a hardworking man. You better hustle. Yeah man.
Let's do that together, my brother and
Stars.
wherever you are.
Chilla bye. Basala song for everybody. One love.
Yes, yeah, better hustle coming out from Expedizo.
Chilla boy. Basala song for everybody.
Now, why that word Mbasala sum?
Mbasala sum is what? No. Okay.
I had Mbasala sum.
Okay. In real English, they call them call me bad basala sumo miabad ekiamunve basala anyhow. You understand?
Yeah.
But miabad doesn't. It's not abusive language.
Okay.
They don't know who I am in Rabadobi.
Okay.
They call me basala, but my ethics is different.
Okay.
I'm trying to do leadership in Basala Sum. That's what I sell in town. Here up to Koboko.
Yeah.
In fact, I congratulate all these people who support me in my kind of leadership movement.
I like that bit where you are mentioning some businesses, saloon boys, let's go ahead, let's go ahead. This one, those are hustling even with the clothes you are carrying in your hands, you are hustling.
Yes.
That is the way to go.
You know.
Now before you say that one, I've got a call for you. Radio Bazelo.
Hello?
Hey Daddy.
Don't I record
Me tell you, expertise on it.
Frankie.
That's Frankie.
Okay. So, me tell you as you are.
Actually, the word hustle always pain people. I don't know why. You see, I at least own some paper.
Yeah.
There are many guys in town in this world in Uganda who owns PhDs.
Yes, they have papers.
But since they want this white collar job, they end up selling their life, their body, their soul for satanism or prostitution or what. You understand?
I know.
Then this word hustle is a very good word in English. In Kiswahili they call it jua kali.
Yes.
You understand? Fanya kazi na bidii. You understand?
Yeah,
you work with pain so that it will pay you. By the way, they said that hard work pays you back.
Yeah.
You know we hustlers, we enjoy our money. Sometimes they say that we are spending. No, we have worked hard and it have paid us most. That's why we're enjoying it. That's why I said that hustle is the greatest job in this world.
Yeah.
Technology and hustle is the only work you can find in this world. That's why I said better hustle instead of saying that Nyakse Gamongo because better hustle instead of saying Museveni Gamanse as if because better hustle instead RDC like better hustle.
Yeah.
Yes.
Anyway, it took corona area. I'm lazy to do it. Zikidi Madre by lock the back down.
You see?
By lock the Biasara Zikuzi. And I think Anzi mini Chili Pene. You know, Ziming Gagameta Coco. Because if the drug and Kuba did not for one, and the Agabara,
you are
but it don't have Biasara as a coach. And the Besar Daja, Dadim Dowa, Dukan de Beranede, Kanova Mudo, Bailey, and then Rosida, Badon Tilazi, Gonidan.
Uhuru Kenyatta Joandra and Goneva. Kini that government, I don't know how you guys you call it. For us, business people, we don't know it. Kini that Ziba any government, yala. Let me business about that see. That you want a job in Lazo Alada, Banga, Duamut Kavete, Mians King and village. So you better hustle, you have to leave a legas and you have to leave some money for inheritance. Pity. Mabe quality. My body. Yeah, man.
Good. Now that we have come to the apparently now, we only have up to 2 minutes now.
Yeah.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? I just want to beat 5 years.
You know.
And are we getting you here sooner with the new track to premiere, or what is it like? Or are you doing videos as well?
You know, by this song here is not imaginative composition. we who do art at school, at least even art is with everybody, but at least I studied a bit of it. You know, music is not who big you are, how much you earn, maybe you own, maybe who you are, but music is your brain, the way you look at things. When you see something bad, you have to speak it.
How you describe what you
That
are
is
saying.
it. You describe it,
And how people will associate, because when you touch their lives, then they will love your music.
That is it. So for me, this is real life which is happening in Uganda. I don't think you are seeing it with me. Whenever you are driving within the town, I don't know whether you are seeing that the majority are hustlers.
Yeah, of course, there are so many hustlers.
You understand? These people with even grofers in Yarua. If you ask them, if you ask their PLE result slip, they will take you to police because they are uneducated but successful people who are hustlers.
Yeah.
For example, I have some of them, but the truth is that they have succeeded in life. That's why I say that hustle have to continue.
Yeah.
What I'm seeing myself is, I don't want to see myself big or the biggest. I want to see myself being, I want to be an associate.
Yes.
I want to associate myself with people. If I die today, I have to live a good friendship with you, Uncle Nyanks, with my brother, here, Alio Bidri. I want to live a good legacy whereby if I don't have anything, they will support to buy me in peace.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't want to think this thing big, but anytime I sing, and I sing because I see something.
So should we expect videos?
Video is going to come with this song. This very song, just give me 2 weeks. I went to West Nile TV.
Yes.
They told me, you guys, you have to work for TV.
You got to work for
So
videos.
my first video will come with that TV because I've been waiting for TV in Arua City.
Exactly.
That is it.
Now that the TV is going to be here, the videos must
It's gonna be there. Yes.
Actually, sometimes I get very disappointed when I travel maybe in a 9-star bus or another bus that has TV, and I only see videos from Aluru, Navy guys.
You know,
They've done videos.
you know,
Now you are sitting from Kampala up to Arua, you're only watching Aluru videos. I want to thank those guys so much.
My brother,
They got it video.
my brother.
They look around and say, yeah,
can you give
you
me
must style up, guys.
30
Yeah,
seconds?
of course.
You know, the good thing, I know you have said something very beautiful. I love it.
Thank you.
You know, I love being modified and I love being developmental.
Exactly.
These are little people, they're united.
They cooperate.
You understand?
Yes.
Politicians in Aluru land, they always contribute. Rich people from Aluru, they contribute.
Okay.
But the bad thing with us in Arua here, artists themselves hate themselves a lot. You understand?
Aluru beef.
They
Why?
don't have that communication skills with the big people, with the business partners, with the politicians. That's why they end up feeling big and then earning nothing, and that's why they're not producing even videos.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
But God have now helped us. The videos there. We're gonna see who is doing the real music for his people or not. Because me personally, for me, I was not doing it because I don't want to watch that video on my WhatsApp or on my smartphone alone.
Exactly.
I want people to see the art. It have come. Thank you.
Good. Now your last word to the listener.
My last word to the listener. In fact, I want to thank a lot of people, but because of time, I want to thank people who always support my leadership, that is Basalaso movement. I do logistic. Let God help that all people who are doing business and who are working offices, may God bless them because we are partnering with them. I also want to thank Esha. There's a group called Esha, which is now coming strongly. It is a Rural Music Entertainment Association whereby I'm there. They are one of their PRO, but that there at their cabinet. I want to thank them a lot because you know they have come up with something very great, which not all that big. Now we are going to have my blood donation. Thank them. I want to thank my women, all the way from Arua, all the markets in Arua, Koboko at large, women, you're listening to a bad man, Basalasun for everybody, young man. May God bless you. Not forgetting my guys who always transport me, young officers in Chirabo. These guys here, they're doing well.
Young officers.
Young officers. Thank you very
You will
much.
send my love to them when you get back.
Yeah, man, I will tell them, man. I will tell them.
No, thanks for showing up.
And I want to thank also my brother Orbit, my cameraman.
Yeah, actually, I didn't mention that Orbit was here but because he's not on microphone. Orbit, just say hi.
Hi to you people. This is Aliobit Orbit Dobedi, just representing Basalasun for everybody.
Yeah, man.
Hey.
We are here for leadership. Thank you, God.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
For those who missed this track, I want to do it once again before I have done Surumva to come in here. Let's just listen to Better Hustle. Thank you.
To bless your family.
Everybody in this world, that's why I'm here. For life, call me Basalasun, Nyamba. So every day, them call me Basalasun, Nyamba. So every day, them call me Basalasun, and I go. So every day, them call me Basalasun, and I love it. So every day, you better hustle. Every night and day. No matter where I come from, or what you do, give me a hustle. No matter who you are, where you're from, give me a hustle. I give us a better make home, and we're gonna see the level in her. And I see better make home, and we're long as they will live. Money looking at me, looking at me. From your no, looking at me. Finding you what you want. Madri Bangla Bazi. Bangake bazi, bona banguke dele. Ijagalila, gaga. Basalasun, nyamba. So every day, them call me Basalasun, nyamba. So every day, them call me Basalasun, and I go. So every day, them call me Basalasun, and I love it. So every day. Let's go to Hazo. So every day, them call me Basalasun. So every day, them call me Basalasun. So every day, them call me Basalasun. So every day.
What is looking for a hard working man? You make a hustle before it's gonna be late. Let's do that together, my brother and sister. Wherever you are, expect it to chill out. That's a lesson for everybody. One love.
It's always touch on the beat.